In this video, I will show you exactly how to navigate the Chai AI website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Chai website. You will notice a clean and modern interface that invites you to explore various chatbots. Before you can start an actual conversation, you need to sign in using your Google or Apple account to save your progress in chat history. Once you are logged in, the main dashboard will display a selection of popular and trending bots created by the community. You can scroll through these options or use the search bar at the top to find specific types of personalities or roleplay scenarios. If you see a character that looks interesting, simply click on their profile to open the chat window. Inside the chat, you can type anything you want in the message box at the bottom. His gives you complete control over the direction of the story. For those feeling creative, you can even build your own bot by clicking the Create button. You will be able to give your character a name, a unique prompt, and a specific personality. This allows you to tailor the experience to your exact preferences. Explore the different settings to customize your feed and enjoy the endless possibilities of AI conversation.